Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Metamask without Binance. So basically what actually without Binance means is you will be able to buy BNB directly on Metamask without transferring it from Binance account. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Metamask application, and since BNB is based on the BNB smart chain, you need to first change your network. For that, tap on this drop arrow button in the top and select the BNB chain. If you are not able to find it over here, then first tap on the add network, and then you need to tap on the add on BNB smart chain in order to add it. Now once you are successfully switched into the BNB smart chain network, you will be able to see BNB, which is the native token of BNB smart chain. So you just have to simply tap on it so that you could view further buying option relating to it. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see send, receive, swap, buy and sell option, etc. So you need to tap on buy, that would be in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After that, it will ask you to select the payment method. So as per your country or your region, it will show you a bunch of different payment methods. You can even change your country by tapping on this section in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase, or the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase the BNB. After that, select the payment method and tap on get codes. Then you need to wait for some time until it is fetching the codes for you. Once done, it will show you 2 or 3 providers. So basically you need to use these providers in order to conclude the payment on Metamask. So among the given providers, you just have to select the one that is giving you the best price. So you just have to simply tap on continue. Then you will be redirected on the provider's website, where you just have to provide your personal details like your email address and some of other details. After that, you just have to simply conclude the payment, and this way you will be able to get your BNB into Metamask without using Binance. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.